Hello everyone and welcome to BISP Solutions. I am CS Anjana Mishra, working as the lead functional consultant at BISP Solutions. I specialize in synthesizing and analyzing the financial data. I have 7 years of experience in NetSuite, HFM, FCCS. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing technological solutions across the globe. We have a far-flung proficiency in end-to-end implementation and support. Today we'll be looking at voiding a bill payment into the Oracle NetSuite application. So that means a bill that has been paid to the vendor. How can we actually void it into the Oracle NetSuite application? That is what we'll be looking at into this session. Moving on to our NetSuite application. So this is the Oracle NetSuite application. Now, in order to void a bill, we'll go to the list of the bill payments. So as you can see, this is the bill that has been paid, and now I would like to void this particular bill. I had paid this particular bill, but now I would like to void it. So I'm going to click on this void button. This is a custom journal entry form. We will be moving on to the working on the standard journal entry form, and of course you can customize the form depending on the organization or your organization's policies and your choices of entering the information into the forms. The journal entry, since I have logged in as an administrator, I have the power, I have the permissions to approve the entry. If you are using an employee center, or if you are an employee who has got a supervisor and there's a workflow process into your organization, then of course you'll not be able to approve it. You'll be able to post the journal entry and then it will be approved by your supervisor or your superior. So this is the entry. Most of the information is automatically populated over here. And in case of any other information like communication, any representative of the vendor, any other kind of information, tax information or open air expense information, etc. If you would like to add to it, of course you can add. And this is the entry for the voiding the bill payment for this for the vendor, and this is the payment that was done and now it has been reversed, that is voided. So I am going to actually save this particular entry. It has been saved. Moving back to our bill payments page. As you can see, now the status of this particular bill has been changed to voided. So that means this particular bill is now void. It is no longer in use into the organization. So this was all from my side onto the void of the bill payments into the Oracle NetSuite application. In case of any questions, queries, doubts, or information, you can of course get back to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you so much.